Thinking about getting the Scotia Momentum Visa Infinite card? Well, here's a quick step-by-step guide to applying. Well, first, check if you're eligible. You must be at least 18, a Canadian resident, and have a good credit history. It helps to have your income and rest history ready. This makes the process smoother. Next, head to the official Scotiabank website and find the Momentum Visa Infinite card page. Take a moment to review the perks like premium travel insurance, high cashback on groceries and bills, airport lounge access, and no foreign transaction fees. When you're ready, I'll click apply now. We'll fill in your personal information, name, address, date of birth, as well as your employment status and annual income. Scotiabank will run a soft credit check first, so your score won't be affected. If that goes through successfully, you will complete the full application and may get an instant decision. If you have yours approved, your new card usually arrives in the mail within 7 to 10 business days. Once it's delivered, activate it online or via the Scotia mobile app. Then you'll be all set to enjoy your cashback rewards and travel benefits. And that's really it. It's really straightforward, fast, and rewarding. If you found this guide useful, well, please like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you would like me to cover another card next. Thanks for watching. I'll see you around next time.